Inductive lighting is a lighting technology that uses induction to generate light, unlike traditional filaments or electrodes. Sylvania's Icetron is an inductive lighting system specifically designed for harsh environments and areas where maintenance costs are high. The benefits of inductive lighting are firstly long lifespan. Inductive bulbs typically last over 100,000 years. Secondly, high efficiency. Inductive lighting can be up to 80% more energy efficient than traditional lighting. Thirdly, low maintenance. The long lifespan and rugged design reduce the need for frequent relamping. Fourthly, harsh environment compatibility. Icetron is designed to withstand extreme conditions like temperature fluctuations, vibrations, moisture, and exposure to chemicals. The drawbacks include firstly, high cost. Inductive lighting systems are more expensive to install than traditional systems. Secondly, limited applications. Inductive lighting is most suitable for industrial facilities, warehouses, and outdoor areas where maintenance is costly or difficult. Thirdly, electromagnetic interference. Inductive lighting can generate electromagnetic interference, or EMI, which may affect sensitive electronic devices. Some reported benefits from users are firstly, reduced maintenance costs. Users have reported significant savings due to the extended bulb lifespan. Secondly, improved light quality. Inductive lighting offers crisp, consistent light with minimal flicker or color distortion. Thirdly, environmental benefits. The energy efficiency and long lifespan of inductive bulbs contribute to a reduced environmental impact. Overall, inductive lighting like Sylvania Icetron is a good solution for areas with high maintenance costs and challenging environmental conditions. However, the higher initial cost and specific application suitability might make it less ideal for general lighting. This technology offers a compelling alternative to traditional lighting in certain contexts. When considering inductive lighting, carefully evaluate the specific needs of your application. Assess the potential for energy savings against the higher upfront cost, and also consider the environmental conditions and maintenance requirements of the location where the lighting will be installed. Also, it's crucial to be aware of the potential for electromagnetic interference and take steps to mitigate it if necessary. The extended lifespan of inductive lighting significantly reduces the frequency of bulb replacements, translating into lower labor costs. In areas that are difficult to access, such as high ceilings or remote outdoor locations, this can result in substantial savings over the lifetime of the lighting system. Furthermore, the reduced downtime associated with fewer bulb replacements ensures continuous operation and improved productivity in industrial settings. The enhanced energy efficiency of inductive lighting not only lowers electricity bills but also reduces the carbon footprint of the facility. This aligns with sustainability goals and can contribute to a more environmentally responsible operation. Inductive lighting systems typically produce a high-quality light output with excellent color rendering. This can improve visibility and create a more comfortable and productive work environment, especially in tasks that require precise visual acuity. The robust design of inductive lighting makes it resistant to vibrations, impacts, and other physical stresses. This is particularly important in industrial environments where equipment and machinery can generate significant vibrations that could damage conventional lighting systems. The ability of Icetron to withstand extreme temperatures makes it suitable for use in cold storage facilities, foundries, and other environments where temperature extremes are a concern. Its resistance to moisture and chemicals also makes it well suited for use in areas with high humidity or exposure to corrosive substances. While the initial cost of inductive lighting may be higher, the long-term savings in energy and maintenance can often offset this difference, resulting in a lower total cost of ownership over the lifespan of the system. The initial investment should be carefully weighed against the projected long-term benefits. Before implementing inductive lighting, it is advisable to conduct a thorough site assessment to determine the specific lighting needs and environmental conditions of the area. This assessment can help determine the optimal type and configuration of inductive lighting to maximize its benefits and minimize any potential drawbacks. It is also essential to ensure that the inductive lighting system is properly installed and maintained to ensure its long-term performance and reliability. Regular inspections and cleaning can help prevent premature failure and maintain optimal light output. The electromagnetic interference generated by inductive lighting can potentially disrupt the operation of sensitive electronic devices such as computers, medical equipment, and communication systems. If EMI is a concern, it is important to take steps to mitigate it, such as shielding the lighting system or relocating sensitive equipment. Inductive lighting technology is constantly evolving, with new advancements being made in areas such as light output, energy efficiency, and EMI reduction. Staying informed about these advancements can help you make informed decisions about the best lighting solutions for your needs. Inductive lighting is also known for its instant on and off capabilities, eliminating the warm-up time associated with some other types of lighting. This feature can be particularly beneficial in applications where lights need to be switched on and off frequently. The long lifespan of inductive lighting reduces the amount of waste generated from discarded bulbs, contributing to a more sustainable waste management approach. This can be a significant advantage for organizations committed to reducing their environmental impact. The light emitted by inductive lighting is typically very stable and free from flicker, which can reduce eye strain and improve visual comfort. This is particularly important in environments where people spend long periods of time under artificial lighting. Inductive lighting systems can be integrated with lighting control systems to further enhance energy efficiency and optimize light levels based on occupancy and ambient light conditions. This can lead to additional energy savings and improved user comfort. The use of inductive lighting can contribute to improved safety and security in outdoor areas by providing bright, uniform illumination that enhances visibility and deters crime. This is particularly important in areas such as parking lots, walkways, and building perimeters. Inductive lighting is a versatile lighting solution that can be adapted to a wide range of applications, from industrial and commercial settings to residential and outdoor environments. Its benefits in terms of energy efficiency, long lifespan, and low maintenance make it an attractive option for a variety of lighting needs. By carefully considering the specific requirements of your application and weighing the benefits and drawbacks of inductive lighting, you can determine whether it is the right choice for you. Consulting with a lighting professional can help you assess your lighting needs and identify the best lighting solutions for your situation. They can also provide guidance on installation, maintenance, and EMI mitigation to ensure the long-term performance and reliability of your lighting system. While the initial cost of inductive lighting may be a barrier for some, the long-term savings in energy and maintenance can make it a cost-effective solution over the lifespan of the system. Conducting a thorough cost-benefit analysis can help you determine whether inductive lighting is a worthwhile investment for your needs. Inductive lighting is a technology that offers a combination of benefits and drawbacks, and it is important to carefully consider all factors before making a decision. The right lighting solution for you will depend on your specific needs, budget, and environmental considerations. The reduced maintenance costs associated with inductive lighting can be particularly attractive to organizations with limited maintenance resources. This allows them to focus their resources on other critical operations. The high-quality light output of inductive lighting can improve employee morale and productivity by creating a more comfortable and visually appealing work environment. The energy efficiency of inductive lighting can also help organizations meet their sustainability goals and reduce their carbon footprint, contributing to a more environmentally responsible image. Inductive lighting is a mature technology with a proven track record in a variety of applications. It is a reliable and durable lighting solution that can provide years of trouble-free performance. The availability of different types of inductive lighting fixtures allows you to select the optimal lighting solution for your specific needs and aesthetic preferences. This provides flexibility in terms of design and functionality. The use of inductive lighting can enhance the value and attractiveness of a property by providing a modern, energy-efficient lighting solution. This can be a significant advantage for commercial properties and real estate developments. Inductive lighting is a technology that is constantly evolving, and new advancements are expected in the future. Staying informed about these advancements can help you make informed decisions about the best lighting solutions for your needs. The long lifespan of inductive lighting reduces the need for frequent bulb replacements, which can be a safety hazard in certain environments. This can improve safety and reduce the risk of accidents. The stable and flicker-free light output of inductive lighting can reduce eye strain and improve visual comfort, particularly for individuals who are sensitive to flicker. The ability to dim inductive lighting allows you to adjust the light levels to suit the specific needs of the application and reduce energy consumption. This can provide additional energy savings and improve user comfort. The use of inductive lighting can improve the overall appearance and ambience of space by providing bright, uniform illumination that enhances the visual appeal of the environment. This can be particularly important in retail and hospitality settings. Inductive lighting is a technology that offers a compelling combination of benefits and drawbacks, and it is important to carefully consider all factors before making a decision. The right lighting solution for you will depend on your specific needs, budget, and environmental considerations. The energy efficiency of inductive lighting can help organizations comply with energy regulations and reduce their carbon footprint, contributing to a more sustainable future. The long lifespan of inductive lighting reduces the amount of waste generated from discarded bulbs, which can contribute to a more environmentally responsible waste management approach. The high-quality light output of inductive lighting can improve employee morale and productivity by creating a more comfortable and visually appealing work environment. The reduced maintenance costs associated with inductive lighting can be particularly attractive to organizations with limited maintenance resources, allowing them to focus their resources on other critical operations. The stable and flicker-free light output of inductive lighting can reduce eye strain and improve visual comfort, particularly for individuals who are sensitive to flicker, creating a healthier and more productive work environment. The ability to dim inductive lighting provides additional flexibility in terms of energy savings and user comfort, allowing you to adjust the light levels to suit the specific needs of the application and reduce energy consumption. The use of inductive lighting can improve the overall appearance and ambience of a space, enhancing the visual appeal of the environment and creating a more welcoming and inviting atmosphere. The potential for electromagnetic interference from inductive lighting should be carefully considered, and appropriate mitigation measures should be implemented if necessary to prevent disruption of sensitive electronic equipment. The environmental benefits of inductive lighting, such as reduced energy consumption and waste generation, can help organizations achieve their sustainability goals and reduce their impact on the planet. The long-term cost savings associated with inductive lighting, including reduced energy and maintenance costs, can make it a cost-effective solution over the lifespan of the system. The versatility of inductive lighting allows it to be used in a wide range of applications, from industrial and commercial settings to residential and outdoor environments, providing a flexible and adaptable lighting solution.